Welcome to the Daily Message. Today we celebrate the memorial of Saint Bartholomew. And if you know that Bartholomew was one of the 12 apostles, then you know as much about Bartholomew as anybody does in church history. The only thing that's known about Saint Bartholomew is that he was named as one of the apostles. That's it. And so whatever he did in his life, and certainly it's safe to assume that he did, some great things as an apostle and as one of the early leaders of the church. Whatever he did in complete anonymity. We have no record whatsoever of what Bartholomew may have done. But when you think about it, so do we. We labor in anonymity. The good things that we do are not written up in the paper. We don't make it onto TV or give radio interviews. We simply live our lives as best we can every day. But that doesn't make what we do any less important. What we do every day, the labors that we perform in anonymity for the building up of the church and the building up of the world, are like those of Bartholomew. They may not be well publicized. They may not be publicized at all, but they are just as important. And so we can see in St. Bartholomew a mentor, an exemplar about someone who does not need the cameras on or the limelight on us in order to do the good things that we do. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great Monday.